Thanks for watching this WhatGear unboxing with not such a relaxing ending. And to be honest guys, I saw the relaxing ending YouTube channel and that inspired this video. Let me know what you think of this one. If you like it, maybe I'll do more like this in the future, but there is a review coming very soon, and I heard that these might be one of the best gaming headsets out there right now. So stay tuned for the review, and if you enjoyed this one, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. See you in the next one. Don't be late.